Hello everyone, I hope you all will be in a good condition of health. Today we will talk about common English sentences. Dear friend, आज हम आम तौर पर बोले जाने वाले इंग्लिश जुमले के बारे में सीखेंगे, तो चले शुरू करते हैं। That's all, हाँ बस यही है। That's all, I cannot wait, मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता। I cannot wait. Don't argue with me, मेरे साथ बहस मत करो। Don't argue with me. Don't try my passion, मेरे सब्र का इम्तिहान मत लो। Don't try my passion. He is not at home, वो घर पर नहीं है। He is not at home. Should I leave or stay, मैं जाऊँ या ठहरूँ। Should I leave or stay? It was not my fault. It wasn't my fault. ये मेरा कसूर नहीं था। It wasn't my fault. वो मेरा कसूर नहीं था। I will think over this matter. मैं इस मामले पर सोचूंगा। I will think over this matter. I got duped by him. I got duped by him. मैं उसके फरेब में आ गया। I got duped by him. As you like. As you like. जैसे आपकी मर्जी। As you like. As you like. I am awful hungry. मुझे सख्त भूख लगी है। I am awful hungry. I am awful hungry. Not at all. हिरगिज़ नहीं। Not at all. Not at all.